Hey, Madeline Innocent here. To understand the best food for cats with kidney disease, you first need to appreciate what the worst foods are and why. Herein lies the cause of the health problem. It isn't just about managing the disease. It's more about fully healing it. That means reversing it, returning your cat to good health. And who doesn't want that? Food is incredibly important to the health of all species. In fact, it's vital. Consider a motorbike running on aircraft fuel or tractor fuel. It wouldn't. It's all wrong for that type of engine. If it was able to run, it would ruin the engine. The same applies to food. When your cat, or you, eats the wrong food for the species, ill health has to result. Later, if you're lucky, sooner is more likely. The wrong food for the species ruins health, just like the wrong fuel for an engine. By relying on an unregulated industry that only has its interest in the profit made, could you be mistaken in your choices? This is what the commercial cat food industry is. Unregulated, using cheap ingredients, using non-nutritious ingredients, cares more about their profit than the health of your cat. Bought the veterinary industry. Kidney disease is rife in cats. It's their weak link. So this is often the first area to have problems when the wrong food is fed. But because the body is so resilient and strives so hard to remain healthy, it can take time. This means nobody considers the food as the cause. And it may not be the only cause, but it is the major contributor to everybody's health. For cats' health, the worst food is the dry food. There are many problems with dry food for cats. A major problem is the lack of moisture. Cats don't have a natural thirst because they get most of their liquid requirements from their food. Dry food has little moisture and few cats drink enough to catch up. This means cats fed dry food are chronically dehydrated. This leads to kidney disease and all types of renal problems. The second problem of a long list of problems with dry food is that cats shouldn't have unrestricted access to food. They're not designed to eat on demand. Eating on demand puts an enormous strain on their digestive tract, leading to disorders in these areas in the not too distant future. By simply changing your cat's food from unrestricted to restricted, and/or from dry to wet, your cat's health will improve, probably a lot. But why stop there when you can do more? The wet food still has a multitude of problems, even though most is marginally better than the dry food. Most people can't comprehend how to feed their cat without resorting to commercial cat food. Yet you'll never find the best food for cats with kidney disease, or any other condition, on the shelves of a grocery store, supermarket or vet clinic. It's a mindset that needs to be gently replaced with logic and common sense. Changing a mindset takes time. Discover the secrets the commercial pet food industry does not want you to know about here at www.naturalcathealth.com/renal.